The dangers of rapid weight loss. Here, in the United States, hundreds of thousands of Americans are interested in rapidly losing weight. Many people wish to lose weight before an important event, like an upcoming vacation or a wedding. While it is definitely possible to understand how you can want to lose weight quickly, namely as fast as possible, you need to proceed with caution. Although it is possible to lose weight, at least a little bit of it, in a relatively quick period of time, you should know that there are dangers associated with doing so. One of the many dangers of rapid weight loss is some of the many measures that some people take. For instance, it is common to hear of individuals who have decided not to eat, while trying to achieve a rapid weight loss. Going without food, for even a short period of time, can be dangerous to your health. A better alternative is to cut back on the food that you do eat or to just make sure that it is healthy foods which you are eating. By limiting your calories, you should be able to achieve at least a small weight loss in the time that you are looking to. It is just very important that you do eat. In addition to eating healthy, another component of weight loss is exercise. Unfortunately, many individuals do not realize that it can take up to 1 week to notice the signs of exercise. With that in mind, the more weight you need to lose, the sooner it is that you may start seeing results. While exercise is a major component of losing weight, you mustn't overdo it, especially if you haven't had a regular exercise plan. Running on the treadmill for 3 hours, instead of 30 minutes, may help reduce your calorie intake, but, at the same time, it may also land you in the hospital. Another problem that is often associated with rapid weight loss is the taking of medications or other weight loss products. The good news is that many of these products do work and some are even safe, but you may not be able to tell what you are getting. If you are interested in using a weight loss product, like a diet pill or a cleanse, to help you lose weight, you must do the proper amount of research first. This research may involve checking product reviews, to see if the product is effective, or speaking with a healthcare professional. As you can see, you must proceed with caution when trying to achieve rapid weight loss. Although unexpected events or appearances do pop up, most individuals have at least a month's worth of notice before attending a large event, like a wedding or even a vacation. As soon as you know about your upcoming event, you are advised to start trying to lose weight then, if you are interested in doing so. Rapid weight loss can be dangerous, therefore, you shouldn't rely on it if possible.